Hey guys, this week on the Becoming Bulletproof Challenge, I thought I would show you my breakfast, right? And today is going to be my lunch. So I recently put a picture on Instagram with a refrigerator full of Fairlife chocolate milk. And well, I like chocolate milk. Honestly, I just like things that taste good. And I'm also lazy, so for breakfast, I often drink chocolate milk with stuff in it. So you may not like this video at all, but if you're curious about a simple breakfast that you could have that tastes good, or if you just want to know what I have for breakfast, and I don't know why you would want to do that, but this is it. So I do like Fairlife chocolate milk, and what I do is I put a cup of it in my turbo shaker cup. This cup is the best shaker cup ever. This particular one is probably 15 to 20 years old. They don't really make them anymore because now all the cups have to be fancy, with like metal things in them and balls and stuff, but turbo cup. So 1 cup of chocolate milk now, and then I like to put in some decaf coffee, instant coffee, because I don't know, something about that chocolate mocha flavor that I really like. And you don't have to do this, but I like peanut butter powder. Now you could use real peanut butter, and the reason I don't use real peanut butter is because I got a turbo shaker cup and not a blender, and I'm lazy. And this is much easier to clean. So, scoop of peanut butter powder. By the way, this is 14 grams of protein per cup. This is 9, that was a big scoop, probably 10. Then I like to put in a little bit of grass-fed whey protein powder, vanilla. And the reason I like to use grass-fed whey protein powder is because I don't know what these cows are eating. So I'm in my head that if I combine the grass-fed with the whatever fed, then there's a chance that they'll neutralize each other. And I've got some really good stuff. I also like Bub's collagen protein, which is also grass-fed. So now I put 2 grass-fed things in there. So now I've tipped the scales and I've got a grass-fed protein shake right here with collagen. And the reason I like this is because, well, you don't even know you put this in stuff, but I don't eat a lot of bone broth, and I'm really lazy and I don't cook all day, and I like to do stuff that's fast. So thus the Bub's collagen powder. And lastly, I put in a teaspoon of creatine into my, and I just faked that. I didn't really put creatine in because I've already had creatine today. And you might be thinking, Tim, why do you take creatine? Do you even lift? And no, not really. But I had a bet with my son that I could gain weight with him or outgain him. So, creatine's, I was cheating. But there's other benefits to creatine besides, lifting weights. And the reason I didn't put the creatine in just now is because I've already had creatine, like I said, and I don't want to overdo it because after all, I don't really love weights. But anyway, that's that's all. This is gonna be thick. So the other trick is to add another 8 ounces of water into my shake. So to recap, about 14 grams of protein, a little peanut butter powder, which is about 10 grams of protein. Scoop of whey protein was only 10 grams. And then a scoop of Bub's was only 10 grams, so I only did half a serving. So this is like a 40-gram protein shake. 43, definitely. Yeah, definitely 43. And then you shake it. And then that right there is a good breakfast, or in my case, today's a good lunch. If you're not interested in this, I'm really, really sorry, but this tastes good, and you may not even think it's healthy, but I honestly believe that there's a lot more value in believing in the food that you're eating or what you believe in the food actually matters more than what you eat. So I like it to taste good, and I believe it's going to help me, so therefore I'm probably better off with it. Anyway, cheers. Thanks for watching. I'm Tim. This is the Becoming Bulletproof Project, where obviously I didn't have a cool exercise to show you this week. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.